Howdy, so here's that old square body I'm going to be using for my truck. As you can see, she's got a good 3-puck lift on her all the way around. Big ass heavy duty bumper. The front frame section's been stretched a wee bit. I gotta cut that off. I'm pretty sure I got parked once Jonathan broke the axle in her. I'm a little out of breath. I just had to wrestle this old swather tire up here because she's got the other half of the axle. So instead of just swapping out axles off a parts truck and laying in the snowbank, I'm gonna just slide this old whole assembly back in her and get her loaded on the trailer there. This is her, pretty grubby on the inside. He said the transfer case and the transmission was good when he's using it shifting nice, so I got 2 more of these old swather tires I gotta get. Actually, you could see them back there, and then where I actually got them from is behind the house yet, so yeah, bit of a trek, but yeah, anyways, that's what I'm doing. Alright, so this is what I'm doing. I took the tire off so I can clear that other fender. The one axle's broke, as you can see it's still sticking out of that tire. We got the jack, so she'll go back. She slid as far as I need it right now. I'm gonna try to mount the one tire on the far side, the old swather tire, and see how deep this axle will go into the broken axle side. And then, this is just the opposite of how we loaded it. Sketchy as shit. We had the jack all fall over a couple times, and yeah. So I got the front clip loosened off. I'm gonna need another gomer to lift her off. I got a bunch of people wanting parts off of her. girl, I think, sold the door, the hood, whatever else I can get. I want to steal those little headlight cages for the 56, and then I don't know, get that off, and then I guess get the back mounts for that box, and then the cab after that. This is her, I guess I haven't really showed you, so she is grubby. Yeah, so taking this front clip off, there's one bolt tucked in back there, one right here, and there's one here, but as you can see, she's rusted right out. One there, and then just the body mounts on the front clip there on both sides. I sheared all the other side off, and as you can see, she's got a 2-puck lift, hockey puck lift, all the way around, so that's why I brought it up to the camera there. I was laughing. Bed's rotting right through, missing rear window. I guess, yeah, that's the only thing I haven't really showed. I took the taillights out. The little housing, I guess if you want to call it that, they're good on both, so I wasn't sure if a guy bought this whole rear bed and was needing those lenses and such, so I don't know, I'm giving all the parts away because I don't need them, but I figured I'd prefer them to be on somebody's project than sitting in the snow or in the scrapyard just waiting to get crushed. So front clip's loose. I still got a ton of junk to disconnect, wiring and all that. Jonathan, he ripped the engine out of this thing after I think he broke the axle, which I didn't even realize was in the box, but here it is. So I got a free engine block too. Spent $400 on that whole deal. So I don't even know, I haven't asked him what happened, if that shit the bed too or what. But there's that. Yeah, so I bought the truck. I bought 2 trucks. This is one of them. The other one's pretty well, it's a cab and axles and frame. But I bought 2 trucks. He wanted $200 for them. He tried to give me these swather tires. He built adapters for it. It goes 6-bolt to whatever these are, 8-bolt. Oh. So he built adapters. He was trying to give them to me. I gave him $200 for them. I think that you can't really say no to a big tire. So who knows what they'll go on, but eventually they'll be on something. Yeah, so I bought it because he said transfer case and the front diff was good. He built these big old lift blocks too. I destroyed that, I think it's stabilizer there, from unloading it when it fell off the jack and crushed the trailer fender as well. That was a pain in the ass, but yeah, so I think this truck used to have a rear mounted tank, and then when he put this other box on from a different truck, it came with the dual tanks on either side, so I got 3 fuel tanks to choose from, so that's awesome. Thursday I get my parts in from the sounds of it, so I'm excited. I see in here, it looks like they cut the front nose off of another frame and actually welded her onto the nose of this original frame to build this big ass front bumper for that winch that he had on it. But yeah, I don't know, I guess that's pretty well this piece of junk. I want to steal those cab lights. I'm thinking I want to put them on the 56 too. But what size are these puppies? Oh, right there, I guess. Huh. No. But anyways, yeah, I guess that's a little update. Adios.